The theme song of the movie For a Few Dollars More, a classic spaghetti western directed by Sergio Leone, is an iconic piece composed by Ennio Morricone, a legendary film composer. This music has become one of the most recognizable themes in Western film history. The theme blends orchestral music with Western-style folk instruments such as the guitar, whistling, and trumpet fanfares, creating a unique and evocative sound. The theme has a haunting and suspenseful quality, with moments of grandeur and tension, mirroring the film's dramatic and action-packed narrative. Learning to play the theme of For a Few Dollars More on the piano is an excellent choice for its timeless appeal and unique musical elements. The haunting melody is simple yet captivating, making it a joy to perform while engaging listeners. Adapted beautifully to the piano, the piece allows you to explore dynamics and expressiveness. It's suitable for players of all levels, offering an opportunity to enhance finger coordination, timing, and emotional depth. Plus, playing this iconic theme connects you to the rich legacy of spaghetti westerns and the genius of Ennio Morricone, making it a standout addition to your repertoire. Practicing the E minor scale is an excellent preparation before attempting the melody. Mastering the E minor scale will help with finger strength, coordination, and familiarity with the tonal structure of the melody.
Pa sa ni pa ma sa sa ri sa ni sa ri ga pa sa ri sa ni sa ni pa sa ri sa ni sa ri ga sa ni da ni pa ma re ni sa ni sa. Pa sa sa ga pa sa pa sa ga pa sa pa sa ga pa sa ni ga pa ni pa ga sa ga pa ga sa da sa ga ma ga ri sa.
We hope you enjoyed the content and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. Give the melody a try on your piano, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comments section. I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest lessons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials.